Discord is giving everyone free Nitro, and here is how you can get it. But there is one problem that you need to be fast. If you missed a single minute, you might lose the chance of getting Nitro from Discord. So watch this full video to know everything about it. I am from the Discord world, and I tell people how they can get Nitro for free without paying a single dollar, and we also give away a lot of Nitro. So subscribe to this channel so you can get your hands on Discord Nitro for free. So now let's talk about how you can get this Discord Nitro. If you are on a phone, then open App Store or Play Store, depending on which device you are using. Then you need to go to the search icon and search for Duolingo. If you don't want to use your phone, then you can just go to your browser on your PC and search for Duolingo there. Anyways, install Duolingo on your device. I am not going to do that since I already have it installed. Once you have it installed, you need to open the app and start learning a language. And no, you don't have to spend hours on this. Just spend 10 minutes on the app, and then you would get this pop-up saying you are getting a Discord Nitro. The claiming process of Nitro is same like it has always been, but in case you didn't know how to claim it, you can just go to this website to learn how. I have the link in description. I should have also explained this somewhere in my videos, so you can also watch those. Now, let's imagine that you don't get this pop-up. There could be some reasons for this. The first being that you have not used the app for a while, like just use it for 10 minutes and you should get the pop-up. Second reason could be that you had Nitro in the last 12 months. If that is the case, then you cannot claim it from this offer. Third reason being that you are not from the United States of America, since this offer is only available in the US. Subscribe and join my server.